The Owyhee Volcanic region consists of the Owyhee Plateau, the Basin and Range, and the Snake River Plain. The Owyhee Plateau is a region in southwestern Idaho related to the Snake River Plain, but it remained a highland region of Idaho and Yellowstone volcanics and the Snake River basalt. There are felsic volcanics that were created from the Miocene, Silitic flows, and tuffs. The Owyhee Plateau developed 17 million years ago in the Miocene period. The Basin and Range began about 17 million years ago. They are linear mountain ranges consisting of sedimentary sandstone, shale, and limestone. They are broken by northwestern and southeastern trending normal faults. These are extensional forces. They are also cut by the Snake River Plain. The Basin and Ranges developed 700 to 115 million years ago. They are sediments from the Neoproterozoic and Paleozoic periods. The Snake River Plain is a belt across southern Idaho consisting of Idaho Volcanics, Yellowstone Volcanics, which is rhyolite, and Snake River basalt. There's also some quaternary sedimentary rocks in the Snake River Plain. The Snake River Plain was created by the passage of the continent over a hot spot. This developed from 17 million years ago and is still developing now in the present. This is from the Miocene to the Holocene period.
There are four main primary rock types found in the geologic province of the Owyhee Volcanics. The first one is granite, which is the salt and pepper looking rock, and it's cooled slowly under the Earth's surface. We then have basalt, which is smooth with some ridges, and it's cooled quickly and extrusive of the Earth's surface. After that, we have rhyolite, which is the mostly white and gray rock, and it's extrusive and cooled slowly outside the Earth's surface. We also have sedimentary rocks, which are associated with flood basalts and cooled outside the Earth's surface. Those are the four main primary rock types found in the Owyhees. The primary ages of the rocks formed in the Owyhee Volcanics are as follows. Granite, which is part of the Cretaceous area, just a smaller portion of the Mesozoic area, and about 145 million years old. After that, we have basalt, which is part of the Pliocene and Miocene eras, which is part of the Cenozoic era, which is around 2.6 to 5.3 million years ago. We then have rhyolite, which is part of the Miocene era, which again is 2.3 to 5.3 million years ago, and part of the Cenozoic era. We then have sedimentary rocks associated with flood basalts, which is part of the Pleistocene and Pliocene era, which is 2.6 million years ago and before then, which is part of the Cenozoic era. There's very minimal natural resources and natural hazards related to the geology of the Owyhee Volcanic Province. The few are that there are oil operations around Grandview and the Bruno Dunes, as well as one near Riddle. The area near Silver City is also littered with mines, as well as the area along the Snake River has many mines. There are some mines near the rivers on the most southern border of Idaho, and there are a few near Dick Shooter and one near Wickahoney. Although these mines haven't made a huge impact, they do impact the Owyhee Volcanics.
The present topography of the Owyhee Volcanic region is very similar to its past geological history. The Owyhee region still consists of the Snake River Plain, the Basin and Range, and the Owyhee Plateau. It is filled with basalt, rhyolite, and granite, and some sedimentary rocks. Although some things have changed over the years, the Owyhee Volcanic region has still remained the same. Basalt has been in the Owyhee Volcanic region since it was first formed. As it has changed over the year, more basalt lava has intruded along with felsic volcanic rocks such as granite and rhyolite. Other sediments and sedimentary rocks have come from stream and lake deposits. The Idaho batholith also played a part in forming part of the Owyhee region. Intrusive rocks have cross-cut the older rocks that made up the Owyhee regions. This has slightly changed the topography that makes up what we currently know as the Owyees.